So hi guys, ngayon ay tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano gumawa ng client number as organization. So before tayo mag-start, ito muna yung mga kailangan para makagawa tayo. Una is yung kailangan meron tayong authorized representative with client number. So sa company, kailangan meron isang representative na meron ng client number. Yung kailangan din natin yung telephone number ng company and yung Gmail account ng company. So kung meron na tayo niyan, proceed na tayo, punta tayo sa Google. Tapos search lang natin yung LTO portal. Click po ninyo yung LTMS portal. Then scroll down, tapos click natin tong register now. Ito yung mga terms of agreement. Pwede nyo rin naman itong basahin. Kaso masyadong mahaba. Then, i-click nyo po itong yes, I accept. Then, encode the security code. After that, click next. So, sa registration, meron pong tatlong registration. Ito po yung enroll as individual, enroll as an organization, tapos ito pa po yung sa LTO stakeholders. Pero ito po yung click natin, enroll as an organization. Lalagay po natin dito yung organization name, yung telephone number ng company, tapos branch name, then ilalagay natin yung official email address ng company. Confirm nyo lang. Pag na-type nyo na yung email address, confirm nyo lang yung tinype yung email address. Tapos ilalagay natin dito yung TIN number ng company. Then, organization form. Then, next. So, dito, ilalagay na natin yung authorized na representative. Lagay muna natin dito yung last name niya at yung birthday. Dito naman sa birthday, una muna is yung month. Nalagay muna natin yung month. Next is year. Saka na yung date. Ano po. Tapos position ng representative. And then yung client number ng representative. Click next. Sunod is yung business address. So ilalagay natin dito yung address ng company. Natin yung province. City or municipality, yung barangay, and zip code. So yan, after nyan, click na tong finish. So you are successfully registered. You successfully applied company enrollment of GNG company. An email will be sent to the authorized representative. So doon po sa email address ng representative, doon po dadating yung email na isesend ng LTO. So punta na po tayo doon sa ating Gmail account. So dito po sa ating Gmail, hintayin na lang po nating dumating yung email ng LTO. So ayan na po, dumating na po yung email ng LTO. Click lang po natin yan. So dito po, nakalagay po dito yung LTO client ID ng authorized representative at ang kanyang full name. You have been set as administrator for GNG Company. So, dito po nakalagay yung business ID, yung C2303297959. So, ito po yan. So, once po mag-register tayo as organization, yung mga kailangan, yung kukunin po natin, yung kailangan po natin is yung LTO client ID ng authorized representative at itong business ID. So, yan lang po. Maraming salamat.